Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to remove ads on your Vidmate. So the first step you have to take is to go to your phone settings. So right here, you click on the more connection option here. Click on private DNS. So right here, you're going to, by default, it's going to be on automatic. So you just take it to private DNS provider host name. Then you type in dns.artsguide.com and click on the save option here. Having done that, the next step you can take is to go to your app list. So right here, just click on my app management, click on my app list. So from here, I'm just going to search for Vidmate. So click on it and click on storage and cache. From here, you just clear your cache. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to restart your phone in order to clear up every glitches that is delaying or causing the ads. So guys, that is it on how to remove ads on Vidmate. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.